Hi there. In this video today, we are going to see what are angular pipes, what are pure and impure pipes, why we need two different types of pipes, how to implement the two types of pipes, what are the advantages over one another. We'll see all with examples. Angular pipes, imagine a simple pipe where a liquid flows into one side and flows out of other side. And imagine inside the pipe something is happening and the output is different. The same mechanism has been applied to angular pipes. The data is flown into angular pipes and it does some changes or decoration or fine tuning, whatever we call, to change the data and emits the data outside. A simple example of a pipe is an uppercase pipe. We can find it from the Angular official tutorial page. We can see a simple example for a pipe to convert the data to uppercase. So pipe will have the following things, like inside the interpolation, that is double parenthesis, there should be a value expression. After that, we need a pipe symbol to mention we are going to use some pipe and then a pipe name. In this example, the uppercase is the pipe name. So the input will be translated into uppercase as output here. Let's see with a live example.
We have opened a project in stackblitz.com. Thanks to it. We start with a simple example. So it's a paragraph, enter your name, and there is one input and this type of text, and the ng model is EMP name. So here in the app.component.ts, you can have this thing reference EMP name of any. And now there comes the pipe, like the same name, EMP name, and the pipe symbol, then uppercase is the pipe name. Let's see how this is working.
So we are testing the uppercase of pipes. So I'm inputting in small case ABC. So the output is pretty straightforward. It is converted into caps lock. So this is the simple functionality of the uppercase pipe. So in order to create a custom pipe, we are going to create a folder that will contain all the pipes. So maybe any name. Then new file, I'm going to create a uppercase dot pipe.ts. So here I'm going to import angular.core angular.core. Here what I'm going to do is I'm going to import pipe and pipe transform from this thing, and the declaration is fairly simple. So here what I'm going to do is, so this is a very simple declaration. So I'm going to name it. So it is uppercase. So again I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this with uppercase pipe. So here what we are going to do is, like we have created a simple pipe, like still the declaration, that the functionality is yet to return. But what we are going to do is, like in the app.model.ts, like we need to import this thing. Import uppercase pipe from dot pipe slash uppercase dot pipe. So you can see that so this is accepting, so Angular is accepting. So here in the declaration again uppercase pipe. So this is the thing, like we are telling this application that we are registering this uppercase pipe in the app.model. As a next step, we are going to implement the uppercase pipe, like implements this pipe transforms. We are going to do some transformation using the pipe. So that is the default thing that we are going to do. So here the method we are going to use is transform. So this should here what this should return some value. So this should accept some value. So what you're going to do is like str. So we are accepting some string. So that is string value, and again it is going to return a string value. So here you can see that this is throwing error. So what we are going to is return str dot to uppercase. So please note that we are using the JavaScript's or TypeScript's functionality to uppercase. We are using customized uppercase. So this is a fairly simple example. So you can see that this like we have created one uppercase pipe, that is upcase. So that is implementing pipe transform. So transform will have a method called transform that will accept a string value here and returning a string value. So we are simply returning this to upper. As a next step, we came to app.component.html. Here we have previous example uppercase that is provided by the Angular. So we are going to use our customized pipe. So that is upcase. So it doesn't throw any error. So you can see that. So now what I'm doing is x, y, z. Like you can see that this has been transformed to caps. So we have successfully created a Angular pipe that is transforming the input into capital letters. As a next step in pipes, like we are going to see how we are going to add on button, and click of that button we are going to do some function, and based on that function we'll see how the pipes are getting affected or not affected based on the pure option that we are going to set. So here we are having one button. So this button will have a text called text. Click here to generate random number, and on click itself, like it's a generate random number is the function that is getting called in the TS file. So in the TS file we are having rand number. So that this dot rand number will be math.rand number of 10,000. So again here what I'm going to do is like I'm going to set this underneath. So the random number will be like, so if I click on that particular button, like the random number will be generated within this 10,000 number. For that created button we are going to click this. So you can see that the random number is being generated. So let's see how this is going to affect the pipes that we have created. How to make pipes to Impure? It is fairly simple. So put it false. That's it. That we have set the pure equal to false, so it is impure function now. So we just see like so A, B, C. So I'm writing it in the console log, so everything will be triggered. Okay. So the thing is, so now what I'm doing is I'm generating number. So you can see that the ABC is being called multiple times because of its impure nature, like it is getting called. So when to set this impure, like this is very critical in performance, like if this particular pipes is calling HTTP RESTful API or whatever it is, like it is doing some complex calculation, or if it is taking some more time, more than seconds or something, like it will definitely affect the performance. See, so I'm clicking, so you can see that it is hitting 4 times. So every time, like it is calling several times to do this task because of its impure nature. So it is not recommended for very complex functions, or it is calling for any RESTful APIs. Like the programmers should be very careful of doing this. We have seen what is Angular pipes. and how to create custom Angular pipes, and what is pure pipes, and what is impure pipes, and what is the advantages and disadvantages of pure and impure pipes with an examples. I hope this video might have helped you a bit. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thank you.